Now, for these questions, we're dividing using long division. So first, we have 2016 divided by 36, so we can work out our 36 times table. 36 is of course 1 times 36. If we add another 36, we get 72, so that must be 2 times 36. Adding another 36 gives us 108 for 3 times, another 36 gives us 144 for 4 times, and another 36 gives us 180 for 5 times. So now that we've calculated to 5 times, let's look back at our question. If we take the first 2 digits together, we have 20 divided by 36, but 20 is less than 36, so what we need to do here is take the first 3 digits together and divide 201 by 36. Now, 180 might be the closest number to 201 in the 36 times table, which is still less than 201, but to make sure, we can add another 36. That gives us 216 for 6 times, so we know that the closest number to 201, which is still less than 201, is 180. So we can write that below the 201, and because that's 5 times, we can write 5 in our answer line. Now we need to subtract and bring down. 201 minus 180 is 21, and we can bring down the 6, so we have 216 divided by 36. Now 216 is exactly 6 times 36, so we know that 6 must be the last digit of our answer. Now we have 3,384 divided by 47, so we can work out our 47 times table. 47 is 1 times 47. If we add another 47, we get 94 for 2 times. Adding another 47, we get 141 for 3 times. Another 47 gives us 188 for 4 times. And 235 for 5 times. So now that we've calculated to 5 times, let's look back at our question. If we take the first 2 digits together, we have 33 divided by 47, but 33 is less than 47, so let's take the first 3 digits together. That gives us 338 divided by 47, but 338 is a lot more than 235, so we need to continue adding 47. If we add 47 to 235, that gives us 282 for 6 times, and if we add another 47, that gives us 329 for 7 times. Now 329 is very close to 338, so we can write 329 below the 338, and because that's 7 times 47, we can write 7 in our answer line. Now we subtract and bring down. 338 minus 329 is 9, and we can bring down the 4, so we have 94 divided by 47. Now 94 is in the 47 times table. That's exactly 2 times 47, so we know that 2 must be the last digit of our answer. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.